You don't make progress by standing on the sidelines whimpering and complaining. You make progress by implementing ideas. Shirley Chisholm. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Vicky B. If you are new or just passing through, welcome. For today's look, I'm going to be doing a teal halo eye. Starting off, my eyebrows are already done. I'm going to be using my P. Louise Base Rumor 4. I'm going to use that as a primer, and I'm just spreading that all over my lid. I'm going to be using the Zodiac palette by NYX Cosmetics. My transition color is going to be that brown shade under Pisces. And I'm just going to put that all over my crease. The next shade is going to be the shade under Aquarius, and it's the matte shade. It's the teal color. And I'm going to be putting that on my outer V and my inner V. And I'm going to make sure I connect both sides within the crease. Then I'm going to go back with that transition color, and I'm just going to buff out the edges. For the center of my lid, I'm going to use the shimmer shade under Capricorn. It's like a turquoise shimmer. I'm just going to take that with a flat brush, and I'm just going to spread it all over the center. Next, I'm going to be using my go-to eyeliner, which is the Inglot gel liner. I'm not going to be doing a wing, but I do want to line my eye, so I'm just going to do a line at the top. So now I'm going to move on to the face, and I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder foundation. It's going to be in the shade Cinnamon. I'm going to take a brush and just make some little streaks all across my face and then blend it out. This is literally like my favorite foundation and probably the only foundation that I use now. But I do want to venture off and use some different foundations. So if you all have some suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. So for concealer, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. And then I'm also going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Tan Sand. With that one, I'm just going to be doing like small dots in the areas where I've already put the Too Faced concealer. And that's just to highlight everything, make things a little bit more brighter in certain areas. And then I'm going to be spraying with my Morphe setting mist just because I like to set in between the layers of my makeup. I think that it makes my makeup stay a lot longer and doesn't move versus waiting till the end to set everything. So to contour, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. To set my face, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r powder in the shade Banana. And I'm just going to do a light dusting wherever I put the concealer. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r in the shade Caramel Cutie. And this is just going to be going over everywhere I put my contour. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to be using the Lena and the B shade. I'm mixing those two together to get that blush color. For my under eye, I'm going to go back into that Zodiac palette, and I'm using that deep teal color that I used on the outer and inner V, and I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. To tightline my waterline, I'm using my NYX Cosmetics Pure White pencil. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm going to be putting a coat on my lower lashes as well as my top lashes, and you get those prepared for false lashes. For my lips, I'm going to be using my NYX Cosmetics pencil lip liner in the shade Brown. For lipstick, I'm using this lipstick by Maybelline in the shade Touchable Taupe. And then for lip gloss, I'm using Estee Cosmetics, and this lip gloss is in the shade Golden Parachute. For highlight, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Killowatt Foil, and I'm using Minted Mojito. I know I use a lot of highlighter. That was literally by mistake, but I had to just keep going. Had to make it work, so that's what I'm working with. So that is it for this look. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button to let me know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button while you're down there. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay you. Bye.